Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about how to clean your garage doors. So these are kind of that plasticky kind of garage door, and you can see all the black spots on it, and you see them kind of everywhere. And the easy way to clean that is a little bit of half and half. So half bleach, half water in a spray container. And I'm gonna spray this on all over where the black spots are. And I'm gonna use my power washer over there, and I'm gonna power wash it off. And you're gonna see a drastic difference. You'll see all these spots go away. It'll be nice and clean. So let me get started. So now that I sprayed that on there, I wanted to clean it off. And this is a power washer. It's an electric power washer from Vevor. It's really nice because the big ones that actually roll around, they're hard to store and that sort of thing. And I don't really want to do that. And they come with multiple nozzles, which is nice because they're kind of on this wand, which is really kind of a cool thing. It's easy release. So you can just kind of take off the one you have. You can add another one. It snaps in, so it's really nice. It's got a decent sized cord to it and that sort of thing. And it's got obviously a long enough connection for your gun to actually shoot the water out of it. So it has that. It also has a foaming container that goes on this as well. So you can take this piece off, and basically the foaming container goes in this spot of where this is at. So I'll show you that in a minute here, but this comes right off, kinda. There you go. And then the foaming container goes right into there. And so if you clean cars a lot and that sort of thing, you can just pop that in, and I'll show you that in a minute as well. But right now, let's show you how we're going to clean off our garage door with this. So here we go. It did a pretty good job. I'll do a couple things with the second pass, maybe just do it just because I'm already out here and I'm already wet. But it does a pretty good job. And you see here I didn't power wash yet, but I'm going to do that really quick. But you can see all the black's gone from the garage door, which is nice. So as you can see, all that black mold that you saw before, all gone, right? So now it looks nice, like a nice clean white door. Just a couple spots, maybe I'll do a couple spots again, but generally speaking, it did a great job of taking care of all that kind of mold. Now you don't have to do just your garage doors with this. I mean, obviously it'll work on other things like that, but this is like a plastic type garage door. So when it started showing up with that mold and stuff like that, I wanted it gone. And but you can use it on other things as well. Just do a test area first. Make sure it's not going to damage your paint or your product at all, and then spray away. So half bleach, half water, spray container, and a good old power washer will do a lot of wonders to make something like this look a lot better. So check that out. Also, I'll put a link in the description below for the Vevor electric power washer that I have. Really kind of a great little system. Easy to store. Love that I can just put it on a shelf. I don't have to roll it behind me and that sort of thing. So it's really kind of a nice compact version of a great power washer. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. Super thanks, always welcome. We'll see you next time.